students, and they are lacking in jobs. So that's why the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, started a program in which they provide the this
I believe that I believe that the reservation on the caste basis should be changed, because that the when the constitution was made, that time the caste was only on the, they have not enough money to pay the fees of college and have a better education, so that there was reservation. But nowadays we can see the STSC are doing well, as they had already profits to the mother or the father, had also the profit of the caste reservation on the earlier era. They do not need nowadays.
I wanted to add in the chess number two's point that, as we all know that India is a country which have lots of castes in the country, but due to this caste based reservation, the student, the youth is eligible or have a potential to crack that, to have that seat, but he is not able to get that seat because of caste based reservation. There are many cases in which we see that due to the caste base, the person is not get the potential job, and he lost his job due to this reservation system. And according to me, we need to change this caste based reservation system into economically based reservation, and which will really help those poor people who are suffering from poverty and get opportunity to get help in these
I
exams.
totally agree with chess number 8, and I want to add that in recent times the Prime Minister of India opened the opportunity for the internship, which was having 1.2 lakh of the opportunities of the vacancies, but the application received around 6.1 lakh, which means it is 3 times fold. It is more than a 3 times fold opportunity the people want. So when we say India is lacking opportunity, that can be seen in every sector, because it is not just about having a company or the vacancies in that, or just the government opportunities, but even in the private companies that we see, people do not have the opportunities to showcase themselves. Even they have the job, they are not allowed to showcase themselves because of the politics that might be going on in the company, or which is making everyone think that the other countries are giving very much benefit to them, be it in pay or perks or in the opportunity to showcase themselves.
I want to add a point here. I want to add a point here.
We can see. I agree with chess number 4, and want to add a point here, that we can see the nowadays private sector of India is doing very much a lot good than the government sector. It is just because there is no any reservation on the caste basis, and the company had to use the employee on the basis of their skills and the knowledge. They are not giving any caste reservation. So this shows that how much opportunity can lead to the success of any company.
Yeah, I want to add a point here, as we know that mentioned by the chess number 6 that India added Australia per year. So through this we know that the population is continuously increasing, and we have recently from a report we have seen that the Indian Railway, if we talk about them, lakhs of posts are vacant and they are not full by the government. By the way, the government must increase these vacancies, and instead of the increasing vacancy, it is not fulfilling those vacancies which are present here. So this is causing the lack of opportunities for a youth, and that's why they are somewhere else then trying to go to the foreign to grab those opportunities.
I wanted to add some point that, as chess number 6 mentioned, that lack of opportunity in India, there is opportunity, lots of opportunity, but the thing is that there is not opportunity to those who are eligible for that. If we take an example of IIT, the people who are of SC caste, they get entry in IIT in 35 percentile only, and those who are from general category, they have to work hard to get 99.9 percentile, and due to this biggest gap, those who are getting entries in IIT are not able to survive, and they commit suicide. There are many examples where the students are committing suicide because of pressure they are not able to handle there. And if the government really wanted to do reservation, they can do reservation by lowering down the economy fees of the forms which they are asked for that, and they will provide reservation according to economically basis. By this they will help to get those countries who are those people who are really
If we talk about the
I agree.
diaspora of India, we can see the diaspora of India is present in the US and they are doing very well in every sector. And if we talk about, yes, I understand the point of chess number 2 and 4 that the reservation is the reason why people go out, but still reservation are given to the lower caste people that do have the opportunity in India. But we can say if they are going out, they are lacking the opportunities. If we say the diaspora of, in America of India is not just about the general category, there are n number of people that belongs to the other caste as well. So there is a lack of opportunities because as it is very clear that if India is increasing in population, there should be increase in the employment sector. The vacancies should be increased. There should be more places to keep the people employed, to keep the people working on. We can see the turmoil and the pandemonium in the Bangladesh. Yes, that was because of the caste system, but still, that is because the people are not getting the right opportunity. Even if we belong to a general category, if they will be given the right opportunity and the employment, there will be no such issue of employment and the brain drain.
Yeah, I
Okay,
somewhere
let's
else want to
try.
agree.
Another candidate also.
I want to make a point here.
So I agree with chess number 6 that she mentioned that there are lack of opportunities. So we can see that if we go to IIT as the chess number 4 mentioned, every year around 10 lakh candidates and got registered, and there are only 10,000 seats, which is very less. The rate of selection is very less. It is around 1% only. That's why there are lack of opportunities. If there are number of seats, the number of seats increase, the